Approximately 520 million people all over the world live with osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis of the hip joint is a disabling condition and it can affect day-to-day activities and recreational activities. When the conservative measures such as painkillers, injections, and physiotherapy has not helped, then the gold standard treatment for the end-stage osteoarthritis is a total hip replacement. Total hip replacement is the second most successful operation in the history of medicine and surgery. It has approximately 96% success rate at 10 years, meaning that if 100 people have a total hip replacement, 96% of them will be happy with the hip replacement even after 10 years.